If you manage to get that, call that double under position, try not to take it, try and get low. If I go high, I can lift him, but if you don't want me to do that, what you're going to do, you're going to just stop me from doing that now. You're going to drop your base right down. See, there's a gap between our hips now. Yeah? If I take it low here, and keep it tight, now do that. Just can't get away from me at all. Whereas if I've got it high, go for it. I just can't. Now it's probably going to be even. So once I get that position here, I want to lock him in low, and he just can't escape from me. You feel difference, can't you? Yeah. So try and get that into it now. If you do get that, drop down low with it. Okay, have a go. Good condition as well, this ain't.